Alrighty, folks, we are just 10 days away from our third annual ORAAT celebration I call Family Reunion. And we've got the opening speaker, day one, slot one, Mr. Cody Davis here. And I want him to give us a tease on what he's going to go through, because if you're watching this, you can still join our school community for $20 and stream the entire event and get 10 accountability groups, thousands of dollars in education, active forums, and blah, blah, blah for $20. And again, if you want to game the system and quit after a month, so be it. But I think you're going to like the school community. Cody, let's tell them what they're going to get. Episode 1, day 1.
Well, $20 is basically a Subway sandwich nowadays. So.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I'd say that's a pretty good value for what you're getting. So as far as the presentation goes, I am starting out with, originally I was going to say, okay, this is how you get started. But then I realized, you know what? Zubers community, One Rental at a Time community, almost everybody, like they're on their journey. And so I tailor fit it more towards taking your next step specifically along the 10-year journey. Because if you're past 10 years, you've been buying rentals for a while, you know what you're doing. You've been doing it long enough. So I'm really tailoring it down to, hey, this is what you do regardless of where you're at in your 10-year journey. I'm going on year 7 right now, so I still have 3 years left. But one of my opening slides, I actually got it here on me. The first slide says day 1 of a 3,652 day journey. So
I like that.
You get to figure out what day are you on, and you don't have to go that deep into it. But my goal is to outline a lot of the struggles people have along the 10-year.
I love that.
My thoughts on how to overcome some of the most common struggles, and then goal setting along the way. Like, okay, this is how we benchmark where we're at. Are we doing enough of the work to hit our end goal? And if not, do we want to make an adjustment, or do we want to keep going where we're going? Because it's better off than where you started typically.
Yeah. I love this. I love this frame. I think you're absolutely right. I think if you're a part of the ORAAT community, you're definitely on the journey. So I love the fact that you tweaked it, tailored to this. I love the, 365 or 3,650 day kind of timeline, because that's 10 years. And you're absolutely right. When you do this long enough, you realize, and it's why I kind of adopted this whole, the first 5 years suck, because really the same things happen over and over. Maybe they're at different times, slightly in a different, amplitude, right? Maybe that, but it's all really the same stuff that we struggle through. And Olivia and I, we're not immune to this either. We're just so far past it that it's memory, and we probably glorify some of it at this point, right? We're 25 years into this 10-year journey, so we're long past it. I love the fact that you're in it. I love the fact that you're a multimillionaire now. I love the fact that you're 7 years, you're going to be vulnerable. I remember you sent me a picture of your bank account, and if memory serves, I think it said it had $3.52 in it or something stupid like that.
No. So this is part of the slides right here. So, you getting crystal clear on what you want and sneak peek, but
$1.
Comically low. I mean,
that's very close to zero, Cody.
I will say the day after that, I had a 6-figure cash injection. So it's like I budgeted to the T, and I would have gone into credit card debt to survive till then if I had to. But it also could have gone the other way. So I learned a few things along the way, as we all have, and going that low is not a recommended endeavor.
No. But again, it's all things we think about, right? You get started on this journey, you budget, you have a reserve, and something happens, or, a deal goes sideways, or somebody stole from you, a tree fell on your roof. I mean, all kinds of stuff happens in this world. And and that's really the mistake I had in my first 5 years, is I stayed in my little world. It was like Olivia and I only. And it was really me only, just kind of fighting this battle. I wish I had a community like ours where I could have said, oh, so-and-so did this or that. And then the community would have piled in like, yeah, I've been there, and I did this and I did that. And that's why I love seeing the ORAAT community blossom. It's why I love the fact that you run a Saturday accountability group, because the problems and the challenges, they all kind of rhyme And it just feels better to know other people go through it.
Yeah. And that's part of what we discussed on that Saturday call is like, okay, this is what we're working towards. However, this came up or this came up.
Yeah.
I had a surprise $26,000 of CapEx happen.
Woof.
It just happened. There was 14,000 for mold remediation. I had a roof I had to do, a small roof, and some plumbing stuff here and there. And it's like, that happens. But if it's only happening to you in your world, life sucks. If you know it's happening to Cody and it's happening to you, it's like, all right, well, this is just part of what you have to do.
Yeah. And then you have people in our community. That's the other thing I love about our school community right there on the screen, folks, is we have people at all different levels. Sure, we have people in the first couple of years, but we also have some people in the community that have, 50 units plus in a decade. And they're there to keep mentoring and helping folks. That's what I really love about our community is there are plenty of people that don't need to be there, but they're there to help and advise. And yes, they ask questions occasionally about this or that topic, but I would bet you there's 100 people at least out of 550 that are retired or very close to it. And they just come in to have fun and help others. That's the kind of go-givers that we have in our community.
Yeah. Well, I think about Gus. Gus is 73 rentals. He had just joined recently. He doesn't have to do anything.
No, I'm talking to Gus on Friday, I think. So I look forward to getting his story. So it's going to be fun. But yeah, there's lots of people like Gus in there. And we have more and more people doing other things, right? Short-term rentals, never done it. We got somebody. Co-living, don't do it. Got somebody. Ground up development, don't do it. Got somebody. It's, out of state. Ladies of ORAAT. Shout out the ladies of ORAAT. Shout out Lynn as well for her leadership. And it's full of people on a mission. They're not alone. They realize it's going to take time, and we're just marching together. That's why I call our thing a family reunion. It's gonna feel like a family reunion, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. And my first slide actually has a photo of us from that. I don't know if that was the first event you did. That was years ago.
Yeah,
but
the one in Fresno, was that one?
Yeah.
Fresno was a test run. Could I really do an event? Like, could I have a draw? Would I have fun? I lost a lot of money on that event.
Yeah, I had no idea that was a test run. It was a lot of fun. Oh, ouch.
I think I lost 40 grand on that event. Yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. And I didn't ask for sponsorships. I didn't ask for any help. I just was like, let's see what we can do. But
turns out you don't have to when you stick to it for a couple decades.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You can take a 40K flyer and see what happens and not feel it. Yeah, it's pretty fun. But yeah, I'm just so happy that you're leading off day one. Dylan's leading off day two. Gen Z. The reason I wanted to do Gen Z this time is I'm just tired of the crying and moaning and bitching. Right? We have 2 millionaires who are, you started at 18. I think he started at 21. They're both millionaires now. And you guys didn't believe the crap. You just went out and did it. And that's why it means so much that you're coming down. We're going to get to meet your lovely wife, which I can't wait for. So I just want to thank you again.
Yeah. Well, it's the next adventure and the continued friendship. So
there you go.
It's exciting. But yeah, we're excited to be there, and we're doing that couples interview. So that'll be fun.
Yeah, that'll be fun. That's we're going to have Dion lead that one, right? Do you want Dion to interview you guys? Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll make that.
Dion's great.
Let me make that setup. Dion interview couple. Very cool. All right, Cody.
For advice all the time. I mean, talk about a person who doesn't need to be there, but still is. He's off in some sunny place on a beach. Who knows if he's just going to bed or just waking up? It doesn't really matter when you're Dion, but he still shows up. So that's cool.
Yeah, we got a bunch of great go-givers that people are just out on a different mission. And Dion is one of them. Matt's the other. It's going to be a lot of fun. Cody, what's your closing thought? Kind of wrap us up. Again, folks, join school and live stream. 16 hours. I think it's 15 different millionaires throughout the 14th and 15th of February. What's closing thoughts?
Yeah, something I'm going to really focus on is you have to play the game if you want to play the game. And that's something I'm going to actually deep dive. That's just a saying I live by, but there's a lot of people that want to play, but they never start or they never take the next step. It's like in Monopoly, right? You can roll the dice, but the next step the next logical step is to buy a house, even if it's not the dream house in that game. Like you got to play the game. So
Yeah.
I recommend wherever you're at, if you go to the event, don't go to the event. Find out whatever that next step is for you. Think about it. And after you think about it, you can go execute on it.
Cody, you're amazing. Worst case, folks, join school. It's $20. You're going to get, thousands of dollars of the value those 2 days, plus accountability groups for other free education, active forums. And heck, you might find some friends. We have true friends and best friends created in the community all the time, right there on the screen, school.com/ORAAT. Cody, thanks again.
Thanks.